In this question, it is given that a tank is filled with water up to height h. When a hole is made at a distance h below the level of water, what will be the horizontal range of water jet? So let's see how to find out the value of horizontal range. Over here we are considering that there is a container which kept on a horizontal surface, and this container is filled with some amount of liquid. It's filled with some amount of liquid, and we are just making a small hole, let's say somewhere over here, and through this small hole, which is at a depth h below the free surface of liquid, and height of this container is given as nothing but take it as h, and liquid is coming out from this small hole, and our aim is to find out what about the value of range over here. So it is just like a normal projectile motion. So we can just consider that liquid is coming out from here with a velocity, let's say that is equal to v, and we know how to find out the value of velocity. Velocity of liquid coming out is equal to under root of 2 into g into h. And just take it as this vertical distance this liquid is going to travel is equal to y, and you can write the value of y is equal to nothing but h minus h. So just like a normal question related to kinematics, so if the horizontal component of velocity is nothing but v, and vertically it is traveling a distance that is equal to nothing but y, and our aim is to find out what about the value of range over here. So we can just find out its components along the x-axis means horizontal, and y-axis means along the vertical. So you can write its initial velocity along the vertical direction is equal to 0, and displacement along the vertical direction is minus y as it is in downward direction, and acceleration due to gravity is equal to nothing but minus g as it is in all these things are in downward direction. So we can find out the value of time taken to reach the ground. We can use that equation, s is equal to ut plus half a t square. So the value of s is nothing but minus v, initial velocity is 0, acceleration is minus g into t square. So you can write 2y by g under root is a value of t. Now if you are considering along the horizontal direction, we can write velocity along the horizontal direction is v, and we know that that is going to be a constant, and acceleration along the horizontal direction is equal to 0. So we can write displacement along the horizontal direction is taken as nothing but range. So we can write displacement is equal to velocity into time, or you can write range is equal to horizontal velocity v into time, we can take it as t. So we can write the value of range is equal to horizontal velocity is nothing but a root of 2 into g into h, into time taken is nothing but a root of 2 into y divided by g. So we can write this is going to be root 2 into root 2, we can take it as 2 into under root of g into h into y divided by g. So this g and g get cancelled. You can write the equation for range is equal to 2 into h into y. Over here we know that this can be written as h into y is nothing but h minus h. So this will be the equation for a range on the horizontal surface.